Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 4, that is lies in peninsular region. So in this chapter we will study about the famous state. What is Peninsular Plateau? It is a distinct physical unit because it is neither comprised of high mountain nor a vast flat lowlands. इसको हम peninsular कहते हैं. Why? Because it is surrounded by sea from 3 sides. Now southern part of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand are also part of this plateau. The region includes states of Karnataka, eastern in this plateau, and most part of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu are also in this plateau. So let's study about some famous state over here. We have Karnataka first. Where does it lie? South of Maharashtra. Maharashtra के south में lie करती है. Surrounded by hills along its west, and there's a thick forest of teak sandalwood over here. जो coastal region है, what they receive heavy rainfall over here, and it is covered with tropical evergreen forest. To the east of hilly region lies a part of Deccan Plateau. Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri river flows through here, and the main crops are rice and coconut. Coffee, cardamom and cashew nut are grown on the hill slopes. Rubber is also important. Cash crop over here. So, Karnataka has many minerals such as iron ore, bauxite, manganese, gold. Kolar is famous for coal mines. Karnataka is famous for sericulture and lot of raw silk is produced here. And Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, beautiful city called Garden City of India. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज देखने को मिलेगी, लाइक एयरप्लेन्स, टेलीफोन्स, कंप्यूटर्स एंड मशीन टूल्स. सो मैसूर इज फेमस फॉर सिल्क साड़ी, अगरबत्तीज, enhanced sticks and sandalwood article. Vrindavan Garden near Mysore is famous tourist spot over here. And Karnataka is famous for its old forts and temple. Main language that is spoken here is Kannada. Traditional music of Karnataka is called Carnatic music. Yakshagana is the most popular dance. The main food is rice, idli dosa. It too are their popular dishes. Main dresses of men, lungi shirt. And what do we women wear? They wear sari in their own style. Right, Madhya Pradesh stays like in center of India, landlocked state है with two important hill ranges, Vindhya and Satpura. Right, यहाँ पे से नर्मदा flow करती है state से. Next, if we talk about Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son, Mahanadi, these are some important river of Madhya Pradesh. Main crops grown are cotton, wheat, jowar and mustard. The state is rich in mineral. Diamond, coal, iron and manganese. They are important or main minerals. Panna is famous for diamond mines. We have some big factories like BEL, right? Newsprint factory at Nepanagar. Cement industry is also important industry of Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior and Indore has many cotton textiles. The main language of Hindi, but local dialects are also spoken. People here eat what? Rice, wheat, pulses and vegetables. And man's traditional dresses, dhoti, kurta, and women wear what? Saris over it. Right? So if we talk about large area in Madhya Pradesh, they are covered with forest. Many wild animals live here. Tigers, bison, और आपके spotted deer, Barasingha, they all are famous wildlife sanctuary at your Kahana National Park in Jabalpur. Important attractions Sanchi Stupa, Mandu Fort, Gwalior Fort. ये कुछ important temples हैं आपके खुजराहो के. इंदौर आपकी biggest city है मध्य प्रदेश. Now if we talk about Telangana, Hyderabad is the capital city. It is surrounded by Maharashtra in northwest. Karnataka is in west, Andhra Pradesh in the south, and Chhattisgarh in the north. Major cities की हम बात करें तेलंगाना की, जिसमें आपकी हैदराबाद है, वेरंगल है, निजामाबाद, खमन, खैरिन नगर. Telugu is the main language spoken in Telangana. State has not dry and climate despite rivers like Godavari and Krishna flowing. Rice is the major food crop along with other important crop like cotton, siascape, mango and tobacco. Right? आंध्र प्रदेश की अगर हम बात करें, it lies in the southern coast. कहाँ पे lie करते हैं? Southern coast पे. It is bounded by coast of Bay of Bengal. A large part of Andhra Pradesh stretches from here. If we talk about river, Krishna and Godavari flow, and they make fertile delta over here. Rice is the most important crop over here. Sugarcane, tobacco, groundnuts and the millets are also grown. If we talk about, there are many industries in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, city of Andhra Pradesh, has shipbuilding and iron industry. The other industry, if we talk about, they are textile, cement and fertilizer. Amravati is the capital. Tirupati is famously this place. It has the famous temple that is known as Lord Venkateshwara. Telugu is the main language of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchibudi is famous dance style of Andhra Pradesh. As you see that some part of state like Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha, they also lie along the coast. Next state is Maharashtra. So its eastern part is Plateau region, Western Ghats along its west, and narrow coastal plain along the west coast. The third largest state in India by area. If we talk about the western coast, what it's received heavy rainfall, but eastern slopes जो होते हैं वहाँ पे less rainfall होती है. So the Western Ghats have high hills covered with evergreen tropical forest. Main river जो flow करती है महाराष्ट्र से, तापी से, गोदावरी से, कृष्णा से. The region lying in the east coast of Western Ghats is Plateau, and what we grow cotton, sugar cane and oil seeds over here. नागपुर किसके लिए famous है? Oranges के लिए. Next is Maharashtra is rich in industries. If we talk about cotton textile industry, it's a main industry. And we have other also. And Mumbai is the biggest city of India. It's famous for what? Film industry. It's capital of Maharashtra and has biggest seaport of India. इसे हम commercial capital of India भी कहते हैं. What do we call it? Commercial capital. And Bombay Heights famous for offshore hill mining. Another important city of Maharashtra is Pune. Main language is Marathi and Hindi. Hindi, it's widely spoken over here. Tamasha is the folk dance. If we talk about popular dress of men, that is dhoti kurta with turban, and women wear long sari. Next is your Chhattisgarh. It's a state formed in year 2000. Earlier, it was part of Madhya Pradesh, and it is largely covered with forest. मतलब forest से covered है. यहाँ पे आपकी बहुत सारी tribe रहती है, और महानदी यहाँ की important river है. Right, the tribes are Bastar and Muria over here. Gonds, Chhattisgarh किसमें rich है minerals पे. It has large deposit of iron ore, bauxite, graphite, limestone. Main crop कौन सा? Rice है. They are engaged in collecting forest product. There are some very big factories also like Bhilai steel plant, Bharat Aluminium Company, Balco at Korba. Bindi making is important cottage industry. Tendu leaves are found here. Raipur is the capital. If we talk about tourist attraction, we have Amarkantak, Korba and your Bhora video. Next is Odisha. If we talk about Odisha, where it is situated in the south of West Bengal. Right, to the west of sea coast of the hill, the northern and the central part of Odisha are plateau. Mahanadi main river hai. You have already read that the longest dam in the world is Hirakud, and it is covered with forest. Main crop kaun sa? Rice, jute, sugarcane and oilseed. It has rich deposit of iron ore, coal and other mineral. You have already read that there is a big iron and steel factory over here at Rourkela. And Odisha is famous for its beautiful temples such as Lingaraj temple, Jagannath temple and the Santan. Right, this is all in this chapter I have told you about. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.